Kajima. Fáilte is muis Josephine agus tá mé extáide Gaeilge le bína bháin. Kajima táisih.
The reason I'm studying Irish is because I want to become a dialect coach, and so I want to learn Irish directly from the Irish-speaking population.
Hello, I'm George. Started studying Irish. It was in the beginning. It was a fun thing. Then I decided a few months ago to implement it into my history studies. Actually, do a internship in Galway and study Irish history, Irish language professionally.
Is Misha Patrick McCafferty. My name is Patrick McCafferty. Ich heiße Patrick. Ich bin der irische Lektor hier an der Universität Leipzig. Goethe hat einmal geschrieben, wer fremde Sprachen nicht kennt, weiß nichts von seiner eigenen. So for anybody studying Germanistic or Anglistic, it's good to take a look at languages that are completely different. Now, Celtic languages are European languages, and they're related to English, German, and Romance languages, but they have some really interesting differences. And we learn those in class. But we'll also have fun. We'll take a look at Irish song and music and dance and culture. So, be with us, join with us, and have fun. Tagagi lin agus bonnigi saltas. Slán go fóill.
Díomh ach an duine, is me sé lísach na cosúla agus is as ar mé. Tá mé ag Jenny Stidger in óí Gaeilge a reis an éireann, ag tá mé an seo inis I mi cheagas gur Gaeilge in Ollscoil Leipzig. Tá mé ag éirí nasca na nua a chruthú idir Ollscoil Leipzig agus óí Gaeilge agus tá mé an seo ag múniú Gaeilge do bheith líon na hallscoil seo.
Possum people a Tuesday is bashy up at the margin. Jera walla do, Jera walla do, Jera walla do, very. Jera walla do, fancy walla matada walla do, janta. Tada walla goo, Nialma walla goo, Tada walla goo, janta. Nialma walla goo, Tada walla goo, Nialma walla goo, janta. Oh, Nialma walla goo, Tada walla.